Hello guys, and today I decided I wanted to play some RainWorld since it's like the one only game that I sort of know how to play. Okay. It's gonna be a fun little game we play here. So essentially, this game is a game that came out in a year that is forgotten by time now. Wow, this is gonna be... Fuck. Yeah. Yeah. Alright. Well, that was a good starting opening to this world. Turn around, please. Alright. So essentially the point of this game is you want to ascend, which is a pretty cool thing. If you ascend... Fuck. Huta. So I guess the main goal of this video will be trying to get from point A to point B. Where is point B? I have no clue right now, but you know, it's all a work in progress. Okay. Let me grab this and that. These will come in handy. Let go! I'm dead. That this game and totally not alluding to the future consequences of how things are going. Yeah. Okay. So essentially I kinda wanna go somewhere in this video. Maybe to the canopy or somewhere near the industrial. Holy! Please, please, please. No. I'm dead. Well, you know what? I think I'm gonna go the other way this time around. Professional ninja right there. You don't find those moves at just anywhere. You gotta be a Superman to do stuff like that. Oh. Alright, finally some progress. Or... God dang it! Huh, okay. Well, progress is the progress we make along the way. Okay. Okay, I think I know what to do. We've been goofing, but no longer. We did it! Alright, yeah, I have no clue where we're going. Finally, some forward progress that doesn't involve me getting my neck snapped. Ooh, and these mushrooms are pretty cool, and I'll grab one to show you for future reference what they do. No, I'll just go this way. Alright, so after that, okay, let me show you what these mushrooms be doing. It's LSD. Oh yeah, that isn't slow or annoying at all. Generator. Alright. Okay, let's go. Now, I kind of wish they would update this game, because it's kind of boring right now. And by boring, I mean there's not a lot to do other than die, eat, do it again, maybe play as the other two boys. Okay, watch. Okay, so we wait for Mr. Green Ting over here to do that. He didn't do that! Go! Okay, well that could have gone worse. Oh, we actually need to go that way. Okay, hold up, I got an idea. We just sit here and wait for something interesting to happen. Yeah, go down there, you little piece of trash. Alright.
Hello, Mario.
Oh my god, that scared me. Hehe. Okay, that could have gone worse from experience. To grab those berries. See, I like this game a lot because it combines two of my favorite aspects. Surviving, ragdoll, and slugs that are cats. You know, everything a human being needs, and I cannot go through there. Well, it looks like we're going back this way, boys. Oh, damn. Okay, that could have gone really bad if he had turned around. Okay, let's try not to die horribly and stupidly this time, boys. Morning, friends. Well, that was a quick run. Grab the spear! Alright, let's just, you know, chill up here real quick. I know they can't climb, so we're safe. Okay, he's going back in his hidey hole. I'm not gonna question it though. Oh, please don't activate. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to do the bad touch on you. Alright, boys, last time we farm and then we're finally able to travel to the next frontier. Don't touch those things. Well, okay, that was supposed to be the last time. Get out of here, you fucking dickhead. Alright. Well, we are armed with nothing but rock now, and rock will suffice, I guess. Whoa, what the... Turn around, please. Thank you. Alright, let's just go find whatever food. Yes, thank you, Mr. Icy. More. The noodle fly. No, not again. Well, there goes my only weapon. The noodle fly. I could grab the baby and then, oh no, I'd rather grab the fruit and not die by the mother. Or I can have both. Go away, you little piece of trash. Jeez. I decided we're gonna take the garbage route since it's gonna be easier. Okay, jeez, I understand. This is gonna be easier to just navigate. Okay, you mind if I just grab one of your babies for food? Oh, they're in there. Okay. We sleeping together. Hey, we cool.
Hello,
Oh, you're still here.
motherfucker.
Oh, I didn't touch your baby. I didn't harm it. Please, mercy. I'm dead. I'm dead. Good night. Is she not pissed off that I ate one of her children? Not even like a soul. Yeah, she is. Come out here so I can bonk you. Whoa! Weapon, please! Grab the spear. What the fuck? Oh, I'm dead. Tuck and roll! Oh my god!
Hello, motherfucker.
Oh! Hey! Destroyed. I'm taking your baby. Can I just... I'm dead. Oh, run. Where is weapon? Jesus. I'm not gonna stop till I've had my revenge. That was delicious. Your child was good sustenance. I'm not stopping until I kill her. I don't even care about the run at this one. I just want revenge. Oh, that was delicious. I should have brought a spear. Run for your life. Hey, I'm dead. We happy? We cool? No! We cool? I'm not stopping until I take your babies. That sounded wrong. I mean, it's pretty wrong. Hardened! I've just been running and skewing for this thing for about like 5 minutes now. Ooh, I shouldn't be laughing, I should be running. Come on, where are all the spears? Okay, there's no way she'd come down into the water. Yeah. Oh, hey, what you doing, girl? Why am I like this, though? Why am I like this? You better run, you better run. Why are you so mad? I just ate like 2 of your— oh, jeez! Why am I saying like I haven't been stabbed like 50 times by this thing? How are you down here? Still gonna finish this meal. I will find a weapon that can pierce your hide. It happened, boys! Let's go! I stand victorious! It only took me all of my lives, and now I'm back to square one. Can I at least eat them? No. No, I need that space. Yeah, I'll probably find another one. I just want to eat this. How do you feel? You have joined your babies. Has been slain. I will go and find the next adventure. Okay, this— yeah, maybe you guys just— alright. Cool. Well, I could easily just gimp this thing by simply going out, then going back in. That would be so glitchy. See, look. Kind of sad that's how our great battle ended, but I'm cool. How are you in here?
Oh, no, man.
Why? he's, he's like, yeah, I'm waiting for you outside. Oh, maybe she's finally forgiven me for murdering her babies like 8, 10 times? I don't know. Okay, seriously though, we should actually try to make some forward progress. Oh goody. Oh! Oh, come on! Oh, Jesus! Yay! Thank you. I'd be dead.
Perfect.
Oh, dang, that was smooth. Yes, yes, I am aware of the
Hello.
ascending. Whoa! The way he scuttled in. Alright, let's actually make some forward progress. I know, boys. I know, it's amazing. You know, I'm gonna save right here just because I don't want to have to go years worth of popcorn. That was getting hot. I can keep going up, but I feel like going left would be... Okay, so this is where you would go to try to get to the canopy. Which is a good farming place. Plus, it's the first place you meet scavs, and those guys are hilarious. So I think I am gonna go there, just cause. Okay, so left from here goes to... I think the top part of Citadel or something, and I'm pretty sure...
Hello?
I'm going the other way. Yeah, I think I might go and hang out at the canopy, and then I'm gonna end this video. Oh, I love these guys because of how easy they are to kill. Not by me, though.
No.
Not by me, though. Please let go of me. Please. Let's not do stupid stuff again. At least for the next 5 minutes. Oh cool, there's a karma flower. Okay, so I'm just gonna eat that so that way I don't lose my spot. Oh, there's 2, okay. And there's a shelter. Do I want to take the shelter? I feel like the answer is yes, because I feel like I would gonna need that last port. Better safe than sorry, my peep pop always said. Again. Because it will be right into our home meal. This ain't looking like... Another one? They really want to scrap today. Let's... I feel like I'm going nowhere near the frickin' canopy. No, it's up here. See, I told you. So easy.
Nom.
Where's my spear? No! It was a good run. Okay, I still have the karma flower right here. So luckily, we'll be able to save our place so we can die freely without consequences exactly once more. Alright, let's not be an idiot and go kill those blue things stupidly. They take 2 thingies from our guy. Okay, and it looks like they vacated to a new area since the last time, which is good for us, but bad for the people who wanted to see me die. Ooh, there's a pearl. Naturally, I would fight, but since I kind of... Noodle fly egg. Oh, I could be a noodle fly guy. But I kind of don't want to, because it takes forever to raise them, and they're kind of useless and literally only there for extra food. Which only makes it sadder because you eat them, and they're kind of your kids. Okay, I know where I am, and this should be just a little bit left to garbage. No, I meant, drainage. So this way would be leading more to shoreline, if I'm correct. Oh, okay, I can eat you for extra food. I'm sorry, but your lives aren't really worth it to me right now. Plus your friend here's already dead, so... Oh yeah, you can't do anything with the live ones. You know what? Okay, I guess your life is worth it to me. Oh yeah, this should be garbage waste. Yeah, okay. I guess we were on our way. I swear though, it felt like the path to garbage waste was simpler.
Hello, motherfucker.
Ah! Why did I? And if we die again, we won't be able to travel as far. Okay, so let's hope we don't be stupid again. Oh, it's Scavenger, the funny guys. Okay, they're going that way. So I can either choose the friend or foe path. Or I could choose the acorn. What happened? Oh, I'm dead. Because he took my spear. I'm dead. Oh, I'm double dead. Listen, I didn't want to have to scrap with you guys. I told you, I didn't want to have to scrap with you guys. Okay, go this way and it'll go into the scavenger place. Let me see if it's... Nah. That is the pathway, though. Well, you know what? I think that's enough progress for today. Thank you guys for watching this video, and if you liked it, be sure to like and subscribe. See you next time, I guess.